Good morning, students. Today we revise the question answer of chapter number 17, Stars and Solar System. Chapter number 17. So let us start the revision of question answer of this chapter. First question is write some characteristics of stars. के stars ਦੇ ਕਿਹੜੀ properties ਕਿਹੜੇ characteristic ਨੇ. They have their own light, अपनी light ਹੁੰਦੀ है. They twinkles at light. ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋ twinkling ਕਰਦੇ because they are very a maximum distance from us. A star has very high temperature. Even sometimes some stars have very high temperature as compared to sun also. There are billions of stars in the celestial sphere. Billions ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋ present ਨੇ. So stars are very far away. बहुत दूर ने. Telescope can only make them look brighter but not larger. Telescope ਜਿਹੜਾ instrument ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ brighter ਦਿਖਦੇ ਨੇ, ਚਮਕਦੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਦਿਖਦੇ ਨੇ but ਵੱਡੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਖਦੇ. So these are the characteristics of stars. कि अपनी light ਹੁੰਦੀ है, they are twinkles at night, very high temperature, billions of stars present in the celestial sphere, and they are very far away from us. Next question, why we are not able to see stars during daytime? Daytime क्यों नहीं? Because of bright sunlight. That's why we are unable to see the stars during daytime. Next question, why stars appear to move from east to west? Because earth rotates on its axis from west to east. That's why these stars appear to move from east to west, but earth rotates west to east because earth rotates around the sun. Also it rotates around its axis, which causes day and night. Because it rotates from west to east, that's why we see that the stars appear to move from east to west. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars or Mangal planet is called red planet. Why? Because it contains a Martian soil in large amount of iron. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇੱਥੇ soil present ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ maximum amount ਕੀ ਹੈ iron ਦੀ ਹੈ, which gives it a reddish look. Which is the hottest planet of the solar system and why? Which is the hottest planet? That is Venus or Shukr. Because atmosphere of Venus consists of a thick cloud cover of carbon dioxide. Maximum ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ clouds ਨੇ ਉਹ carbon dioxide ਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ thick ਮੋਟੇ ਨੇ, which traps the reflected light and heat up the atmosphere and make it hot. So the Venus is the hottest planet of this solar system because due to presence of maximum amount of carbon dioxide which trap or absorb the heat and that heat up the atmosphere and make it hot. Why do we always see the same side of the moon? क्यों ਸਾਡੇ को same side ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ moon ਦੀ visible ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ? The period of rotation of moon on its axis is equal to the period of its revolution around the earth. So ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਦੀ axis ਦੇ around rotation ਹੈ ਉਹਦਾ time period ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਦੀ equal to the period of its revolution around the earth ਤੇ earth ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ corresponding to ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ rotate ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ time period ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੈ same ਹੈ axis ਦੇ around ਵੀ ਤੇ earth ਦੇ around ਵੀ. That's why we always see same side of moon. Next, what makes life possible on planet earth? What are the main features which are present on the earth that are very which make possible life for on the earth planet? So some special environment condition that are responsible for the existence and continuation of life due to right distance from the sun because proper amount of ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ light ਪਹੁੰਚਦੀ ਹੈ, right temperature range है, not more not less, presence of water, presence of oxygen. So these are the two basic needs ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ for the essential needs for the survival of life, water and oxygen, presence of a blanket of ozone which protect us from harmful UV rays. Define the phases of moon. So the various shapes of bright part of the moon as seen during the month is called phases of moon, क्योंकि एक दिन तो साडे को जमा ही नहीं विजिबल होंदा टोटली ब्लैक जिवें आपां मस्सिया नूं कह दिंदे आ, बट पूर्णमासी वाले दिन जिहड़े हैगे पूर्णिमा उस जिवें 30th नूं साडे कोले गुरपुरब आ रहा उस टाइम ते साडे को टोटली जिहड़ा हैगा ब्राइट मून विजिबल होंदा। सो उस तो बाद हौली हौली देखियो 15 डेज दे विच उहने टोटली डार्क हो जाना साडे को। दीज आर दी डिफरेंट फेजेस ऑफ मून। उहदा जिहड़ा साइज है सानूं लगदा कि की हो रहा डिक्रीज हो रहा, बट देयर फेजेस ऑफ मून साइज नहीं डिक्रीज होंदा क्योंकि उहदी जिहड़ी मूवमेंट है रोटेशन है उहदे कोरस्पोंडिंग ये चीज़ फील ऑब्जर्व करते हैं। वाई द सन इज कॉल्ड एज स्टार? सन नूं क्यों स्टार कहते हैं? बिकॉज इट हैज ओन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी and it continuously emit light and heat. That's why it is regarded as a star or big star. Write a short note on Ursa Major or Orion. So Ursa Major, it can be seen in the sky during summer in the early part of the night starting the vachi. It is also called Big Dipper or Big Veer. So there are 7 prominent stars in this constellation and it appears like a question mark. सो ये साडे को जिहड़े स्टार्टिंग दे विच नाइट दे अर्ली पार्ट ऑफ नाइट दे विच विजिबल हुंदा वो भी समर सीजन च, दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड बिग डिपर एंड बिग वियर। सो 7 स्टार्स जिहड़े हैगे ने कंस्टलेशन फॉर्म करदे ने विच लुक लाइक अ क्वेश्चन मार्क साइन दे तरह विजिबल हुंदा। नेक्स्ट ओरियन, इट कैन बी सीन इन द स्काई ड्यूरिंग विंटर एंड लेट इवनिंग दे विच विंटर this साडे को टाइप दे विच विजिबल हुंदा है। सो इट हैज 7 to 8 stars. The brightest star is Sirius. So it is located close to Orion. So ये साडे को brightest star है जिहड़ा close to Orion. Next, what are artificial satellites? So these are the natural satellite of Earth, that is moon. But artificial, which are man-made, these are man-made object which revolves around the planet for a specific purpose. For example, GSAT 4, Rohini, extra, these are the artificial satellites which are very useful for different purpose. Next question is, give the distant features of different planets. So first, Mercury, it has no moon and show a large temperature variation. It has the shortest period of revolution around the sun because it is very near to the sun. So that's why a temperature variation also occur. Next, Venus, it rotates on its own axis from east to west and it is the hottest planet and brightest object in the sky. Next, Mars, constant dust storms and presence of iron in the soil make it appear red. So red planet can you know. Jupiter, it is the largest and heaviest planet of the solar system. It is about 318 times heavy as the Earth and its diameter is 11 times that of the Earth. So 318 times the heavy Earth now, the diameter 11 times greater than the Earth diameter. Saturn, it has a set of beautiful rings around it and least of all the planets, even लाइटर देन वाटर। साडे को लाइटर देन वाटर है, ये देखो रिंग्स भी ब्यूटीफुल रिंग्स जड़ियां हैगियां अराउंड इहदे प्रेजेंट है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्लैनेट एंड स्टार्स। फर्स्ट, प्लैनेट, देयर आर 8 प्लैनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम। स्टार्स, देयर आर बिलियंस ऑफ स्टार्स in the celestial sphere. Planet, they have no light of their own, that's why they are not twinkling. But so stars, they have their own light, but planet don't twinkle because they have very short distance from Earth. So and they have not their own light, and stars, they are twinkle at the night because they are very far away from us. So that's why when we see after a second, so we visible stars at a different position, that's why they seem to be a twinkling. Planets, they have low temperature, but stars have very high temperature. So these are the difference point between planets and stars. Next, difference between galaxy and constellation. What is galaxy? It is a collection of billions of stars, maximum stars present on there. Constellation, it is a collection of only few stars, maybe a double digits or maybe a more than double digit, but not more than 100 or 200. So but in case of galaxy, billions of stars. Galaxy, it does not resemble shape of animal or a person. ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ shape ਜਾਂ animal ਦੀ ਜਾਂ person ਦੀ ਨਾਲ similarities ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, but in constellation it is arrangement of pattern resembling human being or some animal. So ਇਹ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ arrangement ਆ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਚ human being ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ animal ਦੀ shape ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ similarities ਮਿਲਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਜਿਵੇਂ like a question mark or a big dipper or big bear ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ. Next, galaxies. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. So billions of stars in each galaxy, and there are billions of galaxies in the universe. But there are only about 88 constellations in the universe. 88 constellations. Sir. Next, difference between asteroids and comets. In the Dutch key difference hai. Asteroids, these are made up of metal and rocky material, metallic substances they rocks ਦੇ ਬਣੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. Comets, they are made up of ice, dust and rocky materials. ice ਦੇ ਬਣੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ, dust ਜਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਚਟਾਨਾਂ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਨੇ, rocky material ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਣੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. Asteroids, it rotates near to the sun, sun ਦੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਤੇੜੇ rotate ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, but comets, it rotate further from the sun, away from the sun rotate ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. Next, asteroids, it does not have any tail of volatile material. ਇਹਦੇ ਚ evaporating material ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ tail present ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ, but in case of comet it has a tail of volatile gases. So when passing close to the sun, ਜੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ rotate ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ close to the sun ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਸ time volatile gases ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ evaporate ਕਰਦੀਆਂ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ tail form ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ. Last question, what are meteors? So these are the bright streaks of light. ਇਹ ਚਮਕਣੀਆਂ streaks ਨੇ lights ਦੀਆਂ in the sky produced by the entering of small meteoroids. ਜਦੋਂ meteoroids enter ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ, ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ bright streaks ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ produce ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ sky ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ light ਦੀਆਂ, ਉਸ time to the earth atmosphere, they are also called shooting stars. So ਇਹ bright streaks ਨੇ light ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ sky ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ produce ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ when meteoroids enter, small meteoroids ਜਿਹੜੇ enter ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ earth atmospheres. So they are also called shooting stars, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਟੁੱਟਦੇ ਤਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ. So these are the question answer of chapter number 17. If you have any query, you can call me. So if you guys have any doubt in any question of chapter number 8, chapter number 13, 14 and 17, you can call me or through message you clarify your doubt. Thank you.